Cat.
Right now, as is fairly typical before every show, the girls are requesting to see parts of my body naked. So I will please them by showing them my calf.
Whoa!
See, it really gets them excited. All right.
Now Sue's all trying to kiss my boob.
Yeah, look at that.
No, stop! Stop, Sue.
Sue's is lezzing out over here with Power Woman. It's very unprofessional. Look, she can't get her teeth out of her mouth. Sue, we're focusing on sewing. God, no wonder why we always start late. Okay. Well, and that.
And Patty's over there with her cleavage out.
And this pretty much is what happens during the 5 minutes before the show. As you can see, everybody's in character. Everybody's really nervous.
Oh yeah, we're very nervous.
Really nervous. And we we have an understudy going on. Hasn't been on all year, but look, she's cool. She's looking beautiful. Look at her technique. Wow. Beautiful. That looks really nice on you. I love the costume on you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Very great. Okay. And that's by Sue.
Thank you.
And that's it for